Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on this 2008 Mercedes C300. It has a 3-liter V6 in it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filters. One here under this. Alright, so like I said, the air filters are located under here. There's one on each side. So we need to get this off. It's actually really easy. First thing to do is remove this air tube. It literally just pulls off. Leave it kind of sat out of the way. Then we got to take these, I guess we're going to call them snorkels, off. You can either release them from here or release from here. This one will release from here. It's super brittle in this accordion here, so I don't want to move it too much. So that one we can literally just pop like that. This one, I can't get it released from here, but I can get it released from here. Just like that. And then all we need to do is there's just some like rubber holders that hold this piece down to the top of the engine. So now we'll just work it up and pop it off and flip it over. And then as you can see, this slides right over your mass airflow sensor right here. So now we're going to get, it looks like T25s, and we'll take the air filters out. Alright, we got the T25. There should be 4 torque screws. Alright, once we get them all loosened, we should be able to just wiggle. Should be all the way out. Yeah, they are. It's just stuck. There we go. Just like that, you take it off. We'll go ahead and we'll blow this out with the air gun. We'll gently take the filter off and go throw it in the trash can. Alright, now we got the new filters. Take the part we took off and it'll literally just press in. Kind of seals around the edge a little bit. So once we get that in there, we'll set this down back onto the housing. And then we'll just snug up these screws. You want to make sure that the 2 plastic halves make contact. But you don't want to go crazy since it is plastic. Alright, now that we got that on, we would normally, this would just get sat back on the motor, get everything lined up, make sure this is lined up if you need to, a little WD-40 on your finger, just kind of like pretty much make it so it'll slide on the mass airflow sensor. Make sure everything is seated, it'll pop down in. You can reach back behind, make sure this is all the way seated, and then reconnect your tubes up front. And then you're all set to go. We're going to leave this off since we're doing the alternator. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next video.